Changing the focus distance is pretty simple. You simply go to the lower left on the screen where it says DHFN and tap on the screen. And there you can enter the focus distance, and let's say 4.7 meters, and press the apply button. And once you hit the apply button, it automatically calculates the parameters in relation to the camera setup you've chosen before. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to not miss any future videos. If you have any questions about any IBE Optic products, just let us know in the comment section. For more information about the SmartFinder Pro, make sure to check out the link in the description, or you can check out all the other videos in our SmartFinder Pro playlist, which you can find right here. That's it for today. See you next time. Servus.